Hey kids! That's the newest collection of emergency vehicles, police cars, ambulances. Let's see what we have here. We've got this new playmobil ambulance with all the crew inside. Let's see, it opens like this. See the way it opens? Haven't seen anything like it. Now let's open it again and see what's inside. Maybe from here. Lots of stuff inside. And we have this, again, new one. A great police vehicle, large one. Looks like a vehicle that carries prisoners, and that should be here. And this is another police car, like a Humvee, but it's not a Humvee. And another one, blue one, but the same model. That's the newest part here. That's a rescue chopper. One hell of a chopper. And we have this one. Also, the last two US, it should have an engine beneath it. Here, what I see. And this is it. Hope you enjoyed it.